I hope you must be doing good. You must be enjoying the videos and your preparation is going very well. So welcome back to channel ctrl+alt+UPSC. This is me Lakshman Gupta, and in this fourth video of the organization we are going to talk about the member country of the EAS, East Asia Summit. And I think there was one question last year about the East Asia Summit in the PSC examination, that which country is the member country of the East Asia Summit. So let's talk. Okay, so what is the East Asia Summit? East Asia Summit is a forum and is held annually by the leaders of, initially 16 countries were there in the East Asian, but now it become the 18 member countries are there. So we'll see that okay, who all are those member countries. But before that, so membership expanded to 18 countries including the United States and Russia at the 6th East Asia Summit in 2011. So the 17th and the 18th countries were the United States and Russia. And East Asia Summit meetings are held after the annual ASEAN leader meeting. Okay. And the first meeting was held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia on 14 December 2005. So this 2011 is when the Russia and United States got membership from the East Asia Summit, but the first summit was held in 2005. Okay guys, so let's see about the member countries, and believe me, it's very easy to remember all the 18 countries if you follow my videos. Yeah, so see guys, so East Asia Summit is it has been made of the RCEP and USA plus Russia. Now you must be wondering that okay, I haven't told you about the RCEP, but I have told you about the RCEP in the third videos. So that what are the member countries of the RCEP? Again, RCEP is made up of the ASEAN and ASEAN plus 6 more countries. Those were the Jinka China. If you'll see my third video, I have mentioned it very well there. So RCEP is the ASEAN plus Jinka China, and again ASEAN is also made up of the 10 countries about which I made already the video. That was the second part of this series. So if you want to know more about, you can go sequentially. The first video was about the SAARC and SAFTA, the second video was about the ASEAN, and the third video was about the RCEP. Now we are in the fourth videos which talk about the East Asia Summit. So East Asia Summit members countries are very easy. It's RCEP plus USA and Russia. So let me show you the map also guys. So I already have shown you about the RCEP. So RCEP is the, you can say this is all the RCEP. Alright guys, and this is the USA and this is the Russia. Again in RCEP you have, this is RCEP, you have ASEAN plus 6, and these 6 are the New Zealand, Australia. I told you about this also, Jinka China. So it was the Japan, India, N means New Zealand, K means it was the Korea, South Korea, and then A means Australia. So this was all about the East Asia Summit guys. I hope if you'll go through this video sequentially, it will be very easy for you to remember and recall the member countries. Believe me, hereafter you will not able to forget any member country and of any organization, and you will not confuse also. So I hope you are enjoying the video. So please start subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting about these videos. Please let me also know that if you want some other kind of the videos. Okay, so that is all about this video. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day ahead.